2 SK4500s, 390 brand X alternator.
Okay. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. That is, and it's got good bandwidth. Doesn't fall off at all. Hey, can I come in? Sorry.
Oh yeah, you
I
can.
wanted to make sure. But from 2 to 4, you can tell a big jump. Holy crap!
You know that show, my line driver was 3/4 of a volt down. I guess it vibrated itself down.
Really? So it's even turned even more. Okay.
Yeah, that's a 6 volt now.
Yeah. Wow.
I gained 2.5 dB. I'm doing a 57.8 now.
Really? Just by adding.
2 more subs.
And then the line driver. Yep. Are you going to do any work on the roof yet?
The guy that had it before me actually did a 60 with it sitting just like this. I mean, I
Really?
did this
Yeah.
and all that, but
Oh, so you're going to try to keep all of this?
I was, and then I don't know what the gain will be. I don't want to start going backwards. Right
Yep.
now.
So could you tell me real quick what's in here? Equipment, real quick.
4 EVL 18s.
18s, okay. EVL 18s.
2 to 1 4th order.
And what's your battery power?
I got a 100 amp hour underground power lithium, 2 SK4500s, 390 brand X alternator.
Okay. Awesome. And you're doing 57s. And you're on your road up from there probably. Yep. Awesome. Thanks, Payton.
I want that 6.
Yep. Oh yeah.
I need.
It's a It's a from 2 to 4, you can tell a big jump. Holy crap!
You know, that show, my line driver was 3/4 of a volt down. I guess it vibrated itself down.
Really? So he's even turned even more. Okay.
Yeah, that's a 6 volt now.
Yeah. Wow.
I gained 2.5 dB. I'm doing a 57.8 now.
Really? Just by adding.
2 more subs.
And then the line driver. Yep. Are you gonna do any work on the roof yet?
The guy that had it before me actually did a 60 with it sitting just like this. I mean, I
Really?
did this
Yeah.
and all that, but
Oh, so you're gonna try to keep all of this?
I was, and then I don't know what the gain will be. I don't want to start going backwards. Right
Yep.
now.
It's a
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.